Let's see some interesting facts. During World War II, India produced the largest volunteer army in world history. Over 2.5 million men. At least 38 Indians received the Victoria Cross or the George Cross. 70% of all the world's spices come from India. India was the first country to develop extraction and purifying techniques of sugar. Many visitors from abroad learned the refining and cultivation of sugar from us. India's Hindu calendar has 6 seasons: spring, summer, monsoon, autumn, winter and perennial. India's Go Air airline only hires female flight attendants because they are lighter. So they save up to 500,000 United States dollars per year in fuel. Diamonds were first discovered in the riverbeds of the Golconda region of India over 4,000 years ago. India has more mosques, 300,000 mosques, than any other nation in the world. India is the world's second largest English-speaking country. 100 million people come to India's Kumbh Mela festival, the world's biggest gathering of humans. In September 2009, India's ISRO Chandrayaan-1 using its moon mineralogy mapper detected water on the moon for the first time. India has more people using the internet than the entire population of the US. Indian housewives hold 11% of the world's gold. That is more than the reserves the US, IMF, Switzerland and Germany put together. India has the most post offices in the world. Between 1902 and 1907, the same tiger killed 434 people in India. Mawsynram, a village on the Khasi Hills, Meghalaya, receives the highest recorded average rainfall in the world. India has a larger population than the entire Western Hemisphere of Earth. Shampoo was invented in India. Not the commercial liquid ones but the method by use of herbs. The word shampoo itself has been derived from the Sanskrit word chimpu, which means to massage. At an altitude of 2,444 meters, the Chil Cricket Ground in Chil, Himachal Pradesh, is the highest in the world. It was built in 1893 and is a part of the Chil Military School. In Canada, Mexico, India, Russia and Israel, banknotes have braille-like markings on them for the blind. The first rocket was so light and small that it was transported on a bicycle to the Tumba launching station in Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala.